Okay, y'all, so today's video is just a get ready with me, so I'm not gonna go in like full detail. I got glitter all over my hand from last night. It's glitter all over my desk, but I'm not gonna go into full detail about what I'm doing. Y'all can just watch me get ready. So like I said, I'm not going to go into full detail on today's video. I don't really have time to show all the products and go into detail about everything I was using. And it's just so happened that one of my school colors was a Christmas color, so this could definitely go as a Christmas look. And I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who congratulated me. I'm editing this on the day I posted my picture, so I got a ton of congratulations. So thank you guys so much for that, y'all. This was a long time coming, but y'all, I finally made it, and I'm so proud of myself. I will be inserting pictures at the end of the video. I really wanted to take some pictures like on my camera, like in my little setup area with my hat on, but I had to go somewhere before I took the pictures, and I didn't want to have like the indentation from the cap on my head, even though I probably could have fixed it easily, but I also was kind of in a rush. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up and let you guys go ahead and finish watching. This is a start to finish video. I almost said tutorial. This is a start to finish video, so you guys get to see me do my eyebrows and both eyes and all that good stuff. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. I don't know if I want to do like a gold glitter. I have one that's like mixed with green and gold, but my shirt is green, my hat is green, my shoes are green. So it's like, do I want to just do all green? Or should I just put some gold? I don't know. I kind of want majority gold with a little bit of green, so we'll see.
Lasting. lasted.
I don't know why I look kind of orange. I don't know if it's just me. I think my light was too bright.